Today we are going to make a very simple and quick recipe of fish. It is the fish curry, and the ingredients for which are heat oil, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of carom seeds, 3 to 4 green chilies, let it splutter. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 cup onion paste, we are going to add our dry spices. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric, half cup curd, mix everything nicely. Arrange the fish pieces over the masalas. Gently place all the pieces over the masala and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Then we are going to flip it and cook it from the other side. It has been 5 minutes. Now gently flip the fish pieces and cook it from the other side. Fish is done. Now sprinkle some coriander leaves. Our fish curry is ready. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. If you are new at the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.